Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you about relation of MA, VR and efficiency. So this is our today's topic. So MA, VR and efficiency. MA is the mechanical advantage, VR is the velocity ratio, and efficiency is it is the ratio of work output by work input, and it's represented by a symbol called eta. So see carefully how I drew it. It's like N in the alphabet with this one symbol at the end. So write N and then this is eta. This symbol is called eta and it's used to represent efficiency in simple machine. So let's discuss about the relation now. So we know that MA is given by load by effort, that is L by E. VR is given by, just a revision, it is effort distance, that is ED by LD, and lastly efficiency, eta is given by work output by work input into 100%. If you convert it into numerical value, then work output is L into LD and work input is E into ED into 100%. This is the formula. So we are going to basically derive the relation between these three. We haven't yet begun the derivation. Now we'll begin it. Solution. So we know that efficiency formula is efficiency is equals to L into LD by E into ED. So this is basically the formula of efficiency. Now what we are going to do is, look at this clearly, we are going to separate these two. L by E into LD by ED into 100%. We are allowed to do this separation since this is multiplication. If it was plus and minus, we are allowed to do this, but both in denominator as well as in numerator we have into sign, so we are allowed to do it. So next step is L by E. L by E is MA, so we already got our MA into, we don't have value for LD by ED. Now what we do is we simply use a mathematical method to do this. We keep 1 here. If we keep 1 here, what we can do is we can take this LD into the denominator of ED. So this is the main division, ED by LD. This is allowed to do in mathematics. This is allowed. Now what happens after this step is simply, it's easy. What we have been doing in mathematics is, I'm going to show in short, A by B and divided by C by D. What we are going to doing, A by B into D by C is very common method. D goes to the numerator part. So simply this is the main division. If we multiply it, then LD is going to go up again. We are not changing the value, but we are simply taking the LD into the downward position, denominator position. So now MA is up, divided by M into 1 is MA. ED by LD we have VR. So this is the relation between the MA, VR and efficiency. We can get efficiency eta by dividing the MA of a simple machine by VR into 100%. This is the relation we are looking for. So we got a new definition for efficiency as well. We can now define efficiency by the ratio of MA and VR expressed in percentage. So this is the definition or relation of MA, VR and efficiency.